Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, 15th of August 2022. Now before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now go and check out the trading ideas. The first one is on the ES, which is futures for the Standard & Poor's Index 500. So this is the ES. We are looking at a 30-minute chart, and what I want to talk about is a significant volume zone that got created here on the ES on Friday. This is that significant volume zone, and as you can see, it got formed in here in this little rotation from which strong buying activity started. This is telling us that buyers were building up their longs in here, strong institutional buyers who later manipulated the price to shoot upwards. But this zone, this heavy volume zone, is still important for them because this is where they placed a lot of their longs, right? And for that reason, it should work as a support. So when the price makes a pullback to this level in the future, that heavy volume zone beginning at 42.37.5, then buyers from this place should defend this heavy volume zone, place where they placed a lot of their longs, and to push the price upwards from there again, right? So this is why this should work as a strong support. Now there is another thing that I like about this support level, and the thing is that the price reacted to it in the past in here. This is telling us that in past it worked as a resistance, and when the price blew past it, the resistance turned into a new support. All right, so in here it was a resistance, and now it turned into a support, and this is additional price action setup that confirms that volume profile setup we have in here. All right, so that's for that. That's for the ES. Let's now check out another trading idea, and the next one will be on the British pound. So what I wanted to show you on the British pound is this significant volume zone from which strong selling activity started. This is a bit similar scenario as on the ES, because again we have significant volume zone and a trend activity. In this case, this heavy volume zone was probably used by strong institutional sellers to accumulate their short positions. The reason I'm saying that they accumulated short positions is because of this sell-off, right? Because of this selling activity starting from this heavy volume zone. And for this reason, this zone should work as a strong resistance, right? It is at 1.2193, and when the price makes it to this resistance, then the sellers from this place should become active, and they should try and push the price downwards from there again, right? The logic is the same as on the previous example with the ES, only in this case it is reversed, right? And also in this case we have a nice confirmation of this level right there and right there. Those two rejections are telling us that this level worked as a strong support in the past because the price was bouncing off it, right, pretty strongly. And when the price finally went through that support in here, then the support turned into a resistance, right? So again, we have that additional price action setup, which is telling us that former support became a resistance, and at the same place we have our volume profile setup. So those are the reasons why I think that this level should work as a strong resistance in the future what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. So that's for that. That's for the British pound US dollar. The next trading idea that I like to talk about is on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So let's check it out. So in here we have had volume accumulation set up as well as in the previous case. And on this chart, it is right there. Those are the significant volumes from which very strong trend activity started. So this is telling us that strong buyers are building up the long positions in here in this rotation, and then they manipulated the price to go upwards. So again, they are waiting for a pullback, and when the price reaches the beginning of that heavy volume zone, which is at 85.19, then I expect a reaction. I expect a reaction from the buyers who are active in here, who are building up the long positions here, and those buyers should defend their long positions and they should push the price upwards from there again, right? This place is important for them because they placed a lot of their longs there. Another thing that I like about this support is that this is actually also a weekly point of control. The weekly point of control from the previous week. So the gray profile you see in here on the left side, this one, that's the volume profile from the previous week. It shows the distribution of volumes throughout the previous week. And heaviest volumes throughout the previous week were accumulated right there. This is the weekly point of control. And as you can see, it aligns with our level, with our support. Right? So that's another reason why I think that there should be a reaction, because the weekly point of control is just by itself a very strong level to trade from. So that definitely adds strength to our level, right? So that's about the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. If you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and what you want to do is click this yellow button which says trading course and tools. So let me click that, scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is a recommended training pack in which I'll teach you how to trade with volume profile. There's a video which you can watch, and in the video you can learn everything that's included in the Elite Pack. Just in short, it includes video course, which is a 15-hour-long video course on volume profile trading. Then there's my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels, and you'll be getting those every day, twice every day actually. Then there's a volume profile pack, which is a pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, there's also free tech support for Elite and Oriflow Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support will connect to your computer, set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators, all workspaces. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely for free, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!